From GPS navigation to live streaming your favorite shows, satellites play a vital role in our daily lives. But have you ever wondered how these far-off space objects keep us connected? Welcome to today's video, where we dive into the fascinating world of satellite communication. Satellite communication is a technology that uses satellites orbiting the Earth to transmit signals for communication purposes. These signals can include anything from data, voice, and video to internet and TV broadcasts. So how does it all work? Let's break it down into simple steps. First, a signal is sent from a ground station on Earth up to the satellite. This is called the uplink. The satellite receives this signal using its onboard antenna and processes it. The heart of the satellite is its transponder, which amplifies and changes the frequency of the signal to prevent interference with the uplink. The satellite then sends the processed signal back down to another ground station on Earth. This is known as the downlink. Finally, the signal is received, decoded, and used for various purposes like broadcasting TV, providing internet, or even enabling GPS. There are different types of satellites used in communication, each with its own unique purpose. Geostationary satellites, GEO. These satellites orbit at 35,786 kilometers above the equator and appear stationary from Earth. They're ideal for broadcasting and weather monitoring. Medium Earth Orbit, MEO satellites. MEO satellites orbit between 2,000 to 20,000 kilometers. They're used for navigation systems like GPS. Low Earth Orbit, LEO satellites. LEO satellites orbit between 160 to 2,000 kilometers and are commonly used for internet services due to their low latency. Satellite communication touches almost every aspect of our lives. Here are some key applications. GPS navigation. Satellites help provide real-time location data for navigation and mapping services. Internet services. From remote areas to mid-flight Wi-Fi, satellites provide internet access where traditional infrastructure can't reach. Television broadcasting. Satellites broadcast TV signals directly to your home, allowing access to hundreds of channels worldwide. Weather forecasting. Satellites monitor weather patterns, helping predict storms, hurricanes, and other natural events. Like any technology, satellite communication has its pros and cons. Advantages: wide coverage. Satellites can cover vast areas of the Earth's surface, making them ideal for global communication. Reliable in remote areas, especially useful in places where terrestrial communication networks are sparse. Supports a variety of services, from emergency communication during disasters to everyday internet browsing. Challenges: high latency, especially with GEO satellites due to their high altitude. High cost. Launching and maintaining satellites is expensive. Space debris. Increasing numbers of satellites pose a risk of collisions in space. The future of satellite communication is exciting. We're seeing advancements like mega constellations. Companies like SpaceX and Amazon are deploying thousands of LEO satellites to provide global internet coverage. 5G integration. Satellites are being integrated into 5G networks to enhance connectivity in remote regions. Space debris management. Efforts are underway to manage and reduce space debris to ensure safe satellite operations. Satellite communication continues to revolutionize how we connect with each other and the world around us. From providing internet in the most remote locations to keeping us safe with weather forecasts, satellites are an essential part of modern life. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Let us know in the comments which satellite application you find the most fascinating. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.